Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my December Boxycharm unboxing. I cracked it open, but I don't know what's inside it yet. I got this like a couple of days ago. I just haven't had a chance to shoot a video for it because I've been trying to fix other videos that I did and YouTube chaos. I just can't get it together. Today it is snowing again, as you can see behind me. We are expecting a blizzard today, so that should be exciting. I'm gonna probably be shooting another video after this one. I think I might wait till it starts to snow a little heavier so I can catch it in the background. But in the meantime, if you guys are in the area of the storm, please stay safe because it's supposed to be pretty bad, so don't drive unless you have to. Anyway, on to the Boxycharm. So this is this month's Boxycharm, and it is for the month of December. Oh, look, we have a little bird friend coming to visit. I've been collecting them in this app. You take pictures and it identifies the bird. It's pretty cool. But this is for December. Let's see what we have. Let's see if I don't cancel my subscription. Okay, what is the theme? Okay, the theme for the month is bubbles and glitz. Let's see what's in here. I don't want to let me not peek ahead. Okay. Oh, this is my first one from this brand. This is something from Viseart. This is a seamless eye primer from Viseart. I don't have anything from Viseart, so let's see what this looks like. I have a lot of eye primer. Most of it I don't like, so maybe I'll like this. This is what she looks like when you take her out of the tube. Viseart. There you go. And let's see. Okay, nice little applicator. I'm not going to squeeze it out right now because I'm not doing eyeshadow right now. That's cool. It says use promo code LikeACharm20 to receive 20% off your entire purchase at ViseartParis.com. Valid through January 31st, 2021. So that's pretty cool. Inside there, you have a little bit of a 20% off code. That's pretty cool to know. I don't know if I would like the primer, but it's cool if they're trying to save you money right out the gate. So the next thing that's in here, oh God, now I'm annoyed. So the next thing that's in here is Glamnetics with the liner. So normally I would be super excited about something like this, but I already bought this when they did their pop-up shop. I paid $8 for this, and I already did a video about this. So now I have another set. It's not even a different type. It's Baby Girl, which I already have, the Baby Girl ones. And you know what? Like I said, I have to give these another try because I didn't feel like it was a success. I don't know if I need to buy the felt tip liner versus the one that has the brush, but that's what this is. I already purchased this, so now I have a second set of Baby Girl and a third liner because I bought two, Baby Girl and I forgot what the other one was. Bossy? I don't know. Look at my video. It shows you what they were. I still have to do that again. The ones that I bought, I wanted to try them again, mix it up a little bit, see if it was human error. So, all right, I get this. If I would have known this was going to be in the box, I never would have purchased them separately in the pop-up. The next item that's in the box is something I've never seen before. It is by the company Butter London, and it is a melt-away cuticle exfoliator. This is pretty cool. I mean, it's a nice packaging, glass packaging. That's what she looks like up close. I don't know what the hell this is. I've never used anything like it. It's taped shut. I'm gonna Google that because I don't see any instructions on this, so I guess I'll go to their site and see how to use this. I'm imagining it looks like there might be a brush inside it. I don't feel like opening it in case I give this away. I'm gonna look this up before I open this because if it's not something I would find useful, I'm not going to keep this. But if it does melt away a cuticle exfoliator, depending on how it's supposed to work, I might keep it. I don't know. But in the meantime, I'm not going to open it. So the next item in the box is from the company Elemis, which I've had mixed reviews for some of the products that I've gotten from Boxycharm because I've never purchased an Elemis product independently of Boxycharm, but they tend to be in the Boxycharm box, as we can see. This is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, Kombucha Glow Moisturizer. So it's, what is it? Kombucha Ginger Prebiotic. Brightens, nourishes, and hydrates. So, listen, I I had Elemis product that I liked, and then I had one that I was kind of like, and I think the one that I didn't like was a superfood product. It was the green one. It was like a face wash, and it kind of like a residue on the mouth. Like when you rinsed it off, it was like you could keep tasting it. No matter how many times I rinsed, it was kind of gross. So this one, the Superfood Moisturizer, I just want to see what this looks like, because skincare things I keep because I want to see how they're going to work. Let's open it up. Oh, there's a little instructions in there. That's kind of cool. This is what she looks like. And I'll let you guys know at a later time how this stuff works out, because I try to give it a little time before I talk about it. You know what? Let me open it though. Let me smell it, because kombucha I think is gross. I've tried it. Oh, look, it has a little, that's cool. That it has that. All right, let's see. Oh, really? What a dummy. Oh my God, that was hilarious. I can't believe I just did that. So stupid. What did I expect though? What did I expect squeezing a bottle? I can't smell anything. Okay, so that's what it looks like anyway. Let's see. It looks kind of like foundation at first. All right, it's not bad. I could definitely deal with that. Oh, you could definitely see a difference. Well, first of all, let me just say my skin is disgustingly dry, but you see, I like that. You see a little shimmer. I like that. Okay, so already I'm liking this product. I'm definitely not giving this away. I'm going to be keeping this. So the last thing that's in the box I'm pretty excited about, because it was something that I wanted to order. I have like a little itch. I have like a tick. It's itchy. I'm itchy. This product I actually saw online, and I was like, I really like those colors. I thought about ordering it, but I was like, I don't know. I don't want to keep ordering eyeshadow, because you end up with so many palettes. If you really look at the stuff you have, you probably have these colors like scattered throughout your collection. It's nice to have them all in one, but sometimes you don't need to spend that money. So it's kind of why I didn't buy this, even though I really, really thought it was beautiful. And that is the Caliente Artist Couture palette. It's the palette is Caliente by Artist Couture, and this is what she looks like inside. Those are the colors. Very, very pretty colors. I like this like red lacquer type of thing. It feels a little like it has like a nice magnetic closure that's really beautiful, and the names of the colors are on the back. And you have Cultura, Fuego, Vibras, Margarita, Rumba, Brillo, Mamacita, and Sensual. So that's pretty cool. I love things that are Latino inspired, with Latino names, like the Spanglish palette, especially the color. Wow, I love that. I love that color. I can get enough of that. So this is what the colors look like in the back. Hopefully we're focusing and you can see the names there. That's what she looks like. I just want to swatch one or two of the colors. So we look like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 4, 5. 5 mattes, 3 shimmers. And I don't remember if I remember the colors being this way. I don't remember for it to be like Caliente. I don't really see like a red, but whatever. So let's swatch. This would be Fuego. I'm gonna swatch what. Ooh, they feel a little dry. I don't know what's up with that. It feels very, very dry. So let's swatch that. And that's what. Oh, okay. It's a little neon-y. I could live with that. I like stuff like that. Feel right. You hear that? It's a little dry. I don't know, but that's beautiful. That really is beautiful. Now I'm gonna swatch something else. I'm definitely keeping this because I know that I wanted to get this before. Let me swatch one of the. This may be a. Yeah, this is a shimmer. Let's swatch that next to it. I'm just using one dip. I'm just like kind of going back and forth, like working it into the skin, and that's what that looks like. That is pretty impressive. I like that color. That is beautiful. Look at that shift. That is lovely. I really like that. I'm gonna do one more shimmer, and that is the color Brillo. So I just swatched Rumba and Brillo as far as Brillo. Rumba is the one with this beautiful shift. That really is gorgeous. And this one here is going to be Brillo. I'm gonna put that right next to it. And again, one swipe, I'm just gonna work it into the skin there, and you can see that is beautiful. That really is nice. I like the shift. See that? That is really beautiful. I love that. That's pretty. I'm looking forward to using this palette. So let's look at how much everything in this box cost, and was this month's box worth the money. The Artist Couture Caliente palette is Manufacturer retail price is $30. I would not pay $30 for that palette. The colors are pigmented. The shimmers seem to have a beautiful shift. This color is absolutely beautiful. I'm looking forward to using it. You know, should I say it's not worth $30? No, I can't even say that yet, because at the same time, I want to use it first, because if I put it on and it looks absolutely gorgeous, then I'm like, okay, then I got my money's worth, because I'm getting a really beautiful eye look out of it. So I'm going to, you know, let me reserve my judgment on whether or not it's worth $30. I will say this, though. $30 for 8 colors, that seems a little pricey. I don't know, because I feel like you could get things, you could get a ColourPop palette for $12 and get more colors than this. But at the same time, are you going to get the same quality? I don't know. Until I give it a chance, I don't really know if it's worth $30. The Glamnetics Baby Girl manufacturer retail price is $63. Now, I knew that already from going to the Glamnetics website. I'm just a little annoyed that I purchased 2 of the Glamnetics. The one that came in this box I purchased, and another one whose name escapes me. Check out my video, it's in there. I'm a little annoyed because I spent money on them way cheaper than I would have purchased if I would have gotten them on Glamnetics full price, because Glamnetics is actually having sales. So I think they're still having sales. I think I paid $8 each lash, and it came with the liner. So $8 lash and liner is a very good deal, considering the manufacturer retail price is $63. Even with the sales that they're having, $8 is still phenomenal. So I'm not complaining. At the same time, when I did the video, I was like, okay, I don't know. Am I doing something wrong? Are these defective? Are there not enough magnets? I don't know. We'll check it out. I promise to try another video with the Glamnetics to see how they were. I was just a little annoyed to see them in the box, because had I known Boxycharm was going to be doing this, I would not have purchased anything from that pop-up. The next thing is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Manufacturer retail price is $49. So I'll say this. I spend a lot of money. You see that? You see that glow? I spend a lot of money on makeup here and there. And I like to save money on my moisturizers where I can. I want to buy something that works, but I don't want to spend money that is just like astronomical for cream. You want to have something that works. You want something that's going to moisturize properly, seal your skin, especially in this horrible winter weather. But at the same time, I'm not trying to spend $100, $80, $90 on something for my face. I mean, obviously you have to invest in your skin. You have to make sure your skin is taken care of, but you don't need to break the bank to do that. So I definitely don't think I would spend $49 on this bottle. Although I'm looking forward to using it, because that is beautiful. But at the same time, it's kind of like they dropped highlighter drops into a moisturizer, and I can do that on my own. The next thing in the box was the Viseart Seamless Eye Primer, and that manufacturer retail price is $24. So I think that's probably about fair for eye primers. I think that's kind of what they go for now. I don't really buy them, because every time I get them, it's in a Boxycharm, or it's in a gift set that I got that it came with the primer. I don't think I've ever purchased an eye, well, that's not true. I bought the Wet n Wild eye primer when I did the whole video of a full face of Wet n Wild. That was like a tacky kind of eye primer. I think that's the only one that I bought independently from like a gift box or Boxycharm. But $24 seems to be a fair price. So I'll say, okay, I'll let you guys know how it works when I use it with actual eyeshadow. The last thing that's in the box was the Butter London Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator, and that manufacturer retail price is $18. I don't know what the hell, what it is. So I gotta look it up and see, you know, on average, these beauty products, Butter London, I don't really know much about Butter London. I think I have one of their eyeshadow palettes that came in a Boxycharm, and it was okay. It wasn't anything special. And I think they sell Butter London makeup in that little makeup kiosk in Kohl's, which makes me kind of like not want to buy it. So I'll let you guys know how that works out. I gotta say, it says, oh, it actually says it on here. Let's read it. It says, gently remove dry, overgrown cuticles in seconds and reveal softer and healthier looking cuticles over time. Consistent use of this pain-free and good for nails formula makes it easier to push cuticles back. Put your clippers away and treat yourself to perfectly manicured cuticles. This might be something I'll give to my husband because he's always biting his freaking cuticles and it's gross. So I think I'll keep it. I think I'll keep it. And just a note, it's helpful to read the card because it teaches you how things work. In the meantime, that's the month of December. These really are pigmented. Wow. That's the month of December Boxycharm. I am happy with this month's box. It came when it was expected to come, despite all of the delays that are happening because of what's going on in the world. And I know that the United States Postal Service is like slammed right now, and I hope that someday they could get back to normal. It's been difficult with orders, but I'm happy that Boxycharm got me my products more or less when I expected them to come. So I think this box is a hit for this month. Maybe the biggest, not the biggest hit, but I think it's a hit. Had I not purchased the Glamnetics before, I would have been super excited to find them in this box. So I'm sure a lot of people are going to be super excited to find Glamnetics in the box, especially if they've never tried them before. So Boxycharm is really stepping up their game, and they're listening to their customers, and they're putting in things that we want to try. I'd like to see more indie products, but it is what it is. You know, we're getting there. So I'll take that. Having said that, I hope you guys don't forget to subscribe. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can, and click on all so you can get notified of everything that I upload. And I'll be probably shooting a BH Cosmetics video soon because I did get packages from them. Stuff that came out about 10 months ago, but it's new to me and it may be new to you. So I hope you stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I'm working on editing a video that I worked really hard on yesterday, and something is going wrong with the damn production. So as soon as I fix it, it will be up. It's gonna be an exciting video. I'm very happy to share it with you. I'm excited for you guys to see it. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.